Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, Mr. Rai. Uh, uh, in this video, me, as Ariel Putra Dewa Ramadan, will be giving you some explanation on uh, my final examination about Spring Mass system. So, without any further ado, let's get started with Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So first of all, the intention of this problem is to determine the time taken by a cannon modeled as a spring mass system to return a specific position of 0.1 meters from its initial position after being displaced, or after the cannon launched the projectile. And then this involves the understanding of the dynamics of the spring mass system. Formulating the mathematical model of its motion and using numerical method to find the time at which the desired displacement occurs. So the cannon is modeled as a spring mass system where the mass M of the cannon is 500 kilogram and the spring constant K is 10,000 Newton per meter. The system undergoes simple harmonic motion characterized by its natural frequency and damping properties. So the initial thinking, first of all, the displacement or xt of the system can be described by a differential equation. And given the problem's context, it appears we are dealing with an undamped or lightly damped system. So for this problem, the displacement is given by a specific form C1 plus C2 times T times exponential to the power of minus natural frequency times time times T. Whereas the C1 is the initial position or x0, and C2 is the differential of x0 or the x maximum or x as the specific position plus natural frequency times x0. So we need to find the natural frequency before we could find the times which the cannon requires to return at the specific position at 0.1 meter. The parameter is, first of all, the mass itself is 500 kilogram. The spring constant is 10,000 Newton per meter. X maximum or the displacement maximum is 0.4 meter, and the X target is 0.1. Okay, the idealization of the system is right here. So there is a gun barrel here, and then when it's fire the projectile, it will sort of like back off, and then there's a recoil mechanism to damp the force required to launch the projectile. The undamped natural frequency, we can require it by the simple equation, which is K per mass to the power of 1.5. And we will get the natural frequency is 4.47 rad per second. The critical damping coefficient, we can also require that by multiple the mass times 2 times the natural frequency. We could require it. It is 4,472.1 Newton second per meter. So for the X target, we're gonna using the displacement equation, which we can get from derivative of the xt. That's why there's a dot here, which is here, right here. So we know that the X max is 0.4 meter, and the X max is the X max we can get it from the derivative of the xt equals to 0. That's why here we could substitute it in this equation here. And then we will get the initial velocity, which calculated using the derivative of the xt and the x max, which is 4.86 to 4.86 meter per second. And then we could go back to the xt equation. So the desired position is 0.1 and the C1 is 0. That's why 0.1 equals to C2 times 2 times exponential to the power of minus natural frequency times in 2 seconds. And then here are the final equation, which we could get from the numerical method using the code below it. That's why for the instruction, we could define the parameter or the given data, which is there is mass, spring coefficient, x max, and then x target. Here we could calculate the omega n, c, and then or the critical damping coefficient, and then initial velocity, which if we run here, sorry, we should probably import the library of NumPy here. Oh, okay. One second. Here, we could get the undamped natural frequency, critical damping, and then initial velocity, which is 4.86, which is true here. And then we could get the displacement equation, and then there's the initial gas, and we could get this code, which is T solution equals to F solve, displacement equation, and initial gas. And then we could get the solution of times required to return at a specific position, which is 0.1 meter, is 0.0228 seconds. Okay, I think that's it from me. I hope this code could give you a better understanding on a spring mass system that's that I'm answering in my final project as my final project. Okay, that's it from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.